something has just changed in the way that credits are spent and managed. And if you are in the know, if you're watching this video, then congratulations. I'm about to save you a ton of time and a ton of work. This is absolutely incredible. I'm super pumped. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. What's going on here is that Claude has just released this, this way of managing the effort of whatever you're putting out here. Okay, so you go /effort, and then you can select whatever you want to look into, low, medium, high, max, or auto. Okay, now I have been working on my app all morning. Okay, I've been doing this for a couple days. I'm an hour in. I've done 2 or 3 commits, saved as branches, done all this, done a ton of work on what's going on here, and I'm only at 6%. I mean, I just spent an hour of straight coding. I'm at 6%. If you have agents and rules and guidelines for what is happening, the thinking model doesn't have to work that hard, and you can then go ahead and make a ton of work happen throughout the credits that you're already using. This is a huge win for everybody. Claude is saying low and minimal. These low and minimal. Okay, low is minimal thinking, simple lookups, quick Q&A, trivial edits. Medium, moderate, which is a default, standard dev tasks, coding changes, debugging. High is maximum, complex architecture, tricky bugs, big refactors. Now look, I've been recoding, editing, debugging my app, but because I've set up resources for the app, hey, if you do this, go here, refer to this. If you do this, refer to this. If you want to do this, use this agent. Because I have those guide rails, okay, there's not the same space available for Claude to make mistakes. Low is like, Krillin, middle Piccolo. High is like, I mean, you're looking at Vegeta here, right? Like just doing everything. But what if I told you that you could crush Vegeta? Like, what if Krillin's Destructo Disc was just randomly incredible, right? Like, this kind of stuff is happening in front of us, and it's happening right now. You can use Krillin's Destructo Disc to take down Vegeta. And I also think I found out something else here too. Like, this model was supposed to reset on Saturday. It's Thursday. But I already used a bunch of stuff. Like, I used a bunch. I was already at like 30, 40, 50%. And it's now reset back to 0. For use on Saturday. The only difference is I had to take a day off yesterday. Yeah, it was just a thing that had to happen. I could not do like any coding. I think it was like for almost 24 hours. But look, if you guys want some action, okay, if you guys want to figure out how to do this, comment below. I'll give you an agent. I'll give you a prompt, and you can dig into this and start to figure out how this could work in your flow. If you're doing SEO, if you're doing business stuff, you don't need this high level, even medium level thinking. As long as you have the proper guardrails in, you can do it in low. You got to think about it like you're setting up these guardrails, you're creating instructions. It cannot make a mistake. Okay, it's licking a stamp, it's putting it on the letter. That's it. Think about this, see how it could work for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will answer you directly because I'm more than happy to do so. And I will, if you do want it, I'll send you a little setup structure as to like how I put this together, because I am just like crushing it right now with all of this. I've used 6%. I'm like, I now have so much leeway till Saturday. I have 3 days to use 100% of this. There's no way I'm going to get there. I could put this on max, bust this out in 2 or 3 hours, and I'm going to be chilling. So I'm curious. I'm pumped. If you're seeing something like this, check it out yourself. But low is the new Vegeta. You know what I mean? This is the new Gojo. Gojo is low. Gojo's low. You don't need this. High is like useless. I don't see the value in it, especially once you have the guardrails set up. So have a look, figure out your own guardrails, work out what you need to do for that. If you have questions, if you want my prompts, shoot me a message below. I'll send you whatever prompt you want. I have a bunch on my website on SEO advertising. There's a bunch linked throughout all of my other videos if you're curious. And yeah, if you watch to the end, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out, and I will see you later. Oh, by the way, if today ends in a Y, it's a great day to make some money. All right. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.